Hey everyone, it's your boy Barrister. Who hasn't dreamt of packing their bags, hopping on a plane, and immersing themselves in a new culture while pursuing their academic dreams? But then reality hits, and the financial burden of studying abroad feels like an insurmountable mountain. Well, I'm here to tell you about the Humboldt Research Fellowship, a golden ticket to Germany that could make all your academic dreams come true. We're talking full funding, monthly stipends, and the freedom to research whatever your heart desires. It's like winning the academic lottery, minus the lottery part. Oh, and before we get lost in the land of opportunity, hit that subscribe button. Seriously, it's just one click, and it ensures you won't miss out on future videos packed with life-changing opportunities. So buckle up, get comfy, and let's dive into the nitty-gritty of how to make this incredible fellowship yours. Alright, let's break down this fellowship like it's a complex equation in a crash course video, but way more exciting. The Humboldt Research Fellowship, brought to you by the Alexander von Humboldt Foundation, is basically a giant "We Believe in You" banner waving specifically for researchers like you. They're offering a chance to ditch the financial worries and dive headfirst into the research pool of your dreams, all from the heart of Germany. And when I say full funding, I mean it. We're talking about a monthly stipend that covers your living expenses, plus they'll handle your travel expenses. This isn't just a short trip, we're talking about a commitment of up to 2 whole years to fully immerse yourself in your research and the German culture. The Humboldt Foundation doesn't believe in putting your intellectual curiosity in a box. Whether you're passionate about astrophysics, medieval literature, or the mating habits of earthworms, the fellowship welcomes researchers from all fields. And if you're someone who thrives under pressure, breathe a sigh of relief, because the Humboldt Research Fellowship. Now you're probably thinking, this sounds too good to be true. What's the catch? Well, like any good opportunity, there are a few eligibility requirements. Don't worry, they're not designed to trip you up. In fact, they're more like stepping stones to ensure you're the right fit. Think of them more like guidelines to help you shine. These criteria are here to highlight your strengths and make sure you stand out. First things first, you gotta be an international scholar. This program is all about fostering global connections. Think of it like a global academic exchange program, where brilliant minds from all corners of the world come together to share their knowledge and passion for research. It's a melting pot of ideas and innovation. So, if you're currently living outside of Germany, congratulations, you've already cleared the first hurdle. You're on your way to an exciting journey. Next up, let's talk academics. This is where your hard work and dedication come into play. The Humboldt Foundation is looking for researchers with a proven track record of excellence. They want to see that you've made significant contributions to your field. They want to see that you're passionate about your field, you've got the skills and knowledge to back it up, and you're ready to take your research to the next level. Your enthusiasm and expertise should be evident. So, dust off those transcripts, polish up your CV, and get ready to impress. Make sure every detail reflects your academic journey and achievements. The Humboldt Foundation wants to see that you're not just a brilliant mind, but a mind with a plan. They value foresight and strategic thinking. They're looking for a well-structured research proposal that outlines your project, your goals, and why this fellowship is the key to unlocking your research potential. Your proposal should be clear, compelling, and demonstrate the impact of your work. Alright, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. How do you actually apply for this life-changing fellowship? It's simpler than you might think, but it does require some careful planning and dedication. Think of the application process as a choose-your-own-adventure novel, where every decision you make shapes your future. The first chapter in our adventure, choosing your research topic. This is the foundation of your entire application. This is where you get to unleash your inner academic rock star and dive headfirst into the subject that sets your soul on fire. It's your chance to explore what truly fascinates you. Whether it's unraveling the mysteries of the universe, exploring the complexities of human behavior, or creating groundbreaking technology, this is your chance to make your mark on the world. Your research could be the key to solving some of the world's biggest challenges. Next stop on our adventure, finding your academic home away from home, the host institution. This is where your research will come to life. Germany is a hub of world-renowned universities and research institutions, each with its own unique personality and areas of expertise. You'll need to find the one that aligns perfectly with your research goals. Your mission is to find the perfect match for your research interests and connect with a potential host professor who can guide you on your academic journey. Building this relationship is crucial for your success. Once you've found your perfect research match, it's time to gather your documents. This step is all about preparation and attention to detail. Think of it like assembling the Avengers, but instead of superheroes, it's your transcripts, CV, letters of recommendation, and that killer research proposal you've been working on. Each document plays a vital role in showcasing your potential. Make sure everything is polished, professional, and ready to impress. This is your chance to shine. And finally, the moment you've all been waiting for, submitting your application. This is the culmination of all your hard work. Just create an account on the Humboldt Foundation's website, upload your documents, and hit submit. And there you have it. You're on your way to an incredible academic journey. Now, if you thought full funding and the chance to conduct research in Germany were the only perks of this fellowship, hold on to your hats because we're about to enter the bonus round. First up on our bonus round extravaganza mentorship. Imagine having access to some of the brightest minds in your field, ready to offer guidance, support, and maybe even share some insider tips on navigating the German academic landscape. The Humboldt Foundation connects you with experienced researchers who can act as your academic Yoda. They offer German language courses to help you navigate everyday life and maybe even impress the locals with your newfound linguistic skills. And for those of you who aren't flying solo on this academic adventure, the Humboldt Foundation understands that family matters. They offer family benefits to help make your transition to Germany as smooth as possible. The Humboldt Foundation also recognizes the importance of networking and building connections with fellow researchers from around the world. They organize events and workshops that provide the perfect opportunity to share ideas, forge collaborations, and maybe even make a few lifelong friends along the way. Okay, future Humboldt Fellows, we've covered a lot of ground here. You know what the fellowship is, who can apply, how to navigate the application process, and the incredible benefits that await you in Germany. But before we wrap things up, I want to leave you with some insider tips to help you craft an application that shines brighter than a supernova. First and foremost, your research proposal is your secret weapon. This document is the heart and soul of your application. This is your chance to showcase your research idea, your passion, and why you're the academic superhero the Humboldt Foundation needs. Make it stand out, make it clear, concise, and compelling, and don't be afraid to inject your own unique voice and perspective. Authenticity is key. Remember, you're not just presenting a research project, you're telling a story, your story. Make it engaging and memorable. Choosing the right host institution is like finding the perfect dance partner. It's all about finding that perfect synergy. The right fit can elevate your research. Research potential host institutions thoroughly, explore their faculty profiles, and reach out to potential mentors who align with your research interests. Building these connections is crucial. A well-matched host institution can make all the difference in your research journey. It can provide the support and resources you need to succeed. Now, I know the waiting game can be excruciating, but patience, young Padawan. Good things come to those who wait. The review process takes time, so don't panic if you don't hear back right away. Use this period to stay productive and positive. Use this time wisely to refine your research, explore other opportunities, or maybe even learn how to bake a mean Black Forest cake. Keep your mind engaged and your spirits high. And there you have it, your crash course on the Humboldt Research Fellowship. If you're ready to trade in ramen noodle dinners for bratwurst and beer, all while conducting groundbreaking research, start polishing those applications. If this video sparked a fire in your belly, or maybe just helped you realize that Germany might be closer than you think, hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on more incredible opportunities. Because trust me, the world is full of chances to learn, grow, and pursue your passions. And I'm here to help you navigate them all. Thanks for joining me on this adventure, and I'll catch you in the next one. Tschüss.